From time to time, there have been incidents of rash driving and riding which have led to major and at most times fatal outcome. In a similar mishap, and as per CCTV footage, a class 12 student of the commerce section of St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School, Shillong, and a resident of Mawlai Nongkwar Block 2, Edmund Marpan, who had just completed his examination of the day, was swept away by a two-wheeler while he was trying to cross the road just opposite to the Don Bosco Technical School at Laitumkhrah, Shillong. The boy, who is the son of Bariphala Marpan and Everest Marbanyang, was immediately rushed to the Woodland Hospital, Shillong, where he was admitted into the intensive care unit. However, due to major fractures on his lower body and head injury, he was later shifted to Guwahati for further treatment. In the meantime, the rider, who was identified as a student of the Commerce College, Shillong, and pillion rider of the two-wheeler were apprehended by the police and taken into custody for further investigation into their involvement in the collision.